Hi, this is Jackie from the Builderall team. In this tutorial, we are going to do an overview of our SMS app inside of Builderall. It's truly an amazing app, but you need to remember that if you want to make use of this, you have to go and purchase some credits. You can see we've got $20, $200, and $50. And if you wonder how far you can come with this, if you go to the left-hand side under price table, you would be able to see exactly what the cost is per SMS depending on the country that you are planning to send to. So if you want to go, you can just click on the next page and you'll see exactly the cost per SMS. So let's go back to the contacts area. If you want to add some contacts, it's quite easily. All you need to do is click on new contact, put in the name of the person. So I'm just going to put mine in there for now. And I'm going to put an email address, South Africa, and I'm going to put a number. And you can see there's a tick, and I'm going to hit confirm. And now it will be added. It says contacts successfully added. You can see it sits right there. If you made a mistake, you just click on the pencil and you can fix that. So I'm just going to click on cancel. Then you're going to go over to categories. Now under categories, you might have different categories for different people. So you might have for affiliates, you might have for your team. So all you can do is click on new category, and we're going to just call this team SMS. And we're going to confirm, and then you can create another one because you can see it shows there. You can create another one, and maybe this one is going to be affiliates, and it could be clients. So that's how you would be able to create all the different categories. Now I've already spoke about the table. Now we're going to go to import list. This is quite useful, especially if you already got an existing list of telephone numbers of your clients or that you've collected. You can upload the file right here and hit submit. Then it will be imported. Now for sending SMS, you just click on send SMS, and this is where you're going to put the information. Please take note that it says 160 characters. You can add links. It's important that you can add a link. If you make it shorter with our URL shortener, that would be great. But you will be able to do that. But just remember about the characters, and that you will be charged for every 47 characters. And then you're just going to click next. And then we've got the shipping report, which is quite awesome. You can put your dates, and then you can make use of all these different features. As you can see inside of our platform, you can connect the SMS to chatbot, mailing boss, dashboard, the booking app, message center, and callback. It's quite a lot of different areas that you can make use of, and it's going to give you the information below. It's going to tell you the status, whether it's been delivered, delayed, or whatever the case might be, the country, and the origin. And that is basically the SMS function inside of Builderall. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you in another.